drive. Should you get the disc version or the digital only? What do you think, Will?
Digital.
Digital.
Well, no. I take it back. I think the disc.
What?
Yeah.
I didn't expect that from you. You're going for the disc model. I'm digital.
Oh.
So digital, you're going to save some money. You're going to get the symmetrical design, which I'm a fan of, and the fewer moving components in there to rely on. Maybe you're saying that because you have discs laying around?
Yeah, but you also have like the SSD with the digital or the non-digital version, right?
The SSD? Yeah, the specs are identical on the two of them.
You just have an optical drive.
You just get an optical drive.
I mean, why not?
But you pay more for it. You're going to pay more for the optical drive.
That's fine.
Otherwise, the performance is expected to be identical. It's caused some debate in the community. Obviously, you have a little extra versatility with the disk drive when it comes to old titles, and there are going to be PlayStation 4 titles that are supported, at least 100 popular titles, according to Sony. So yeah, you're obviously going to be more backwards compatible. But in my case, I've been buying digital only for a long period of time. I can't remember the last time I bought a physical disc. So for me, there's very little backwards compatibility incentive.
Yeah, I guess for me, I just like the hardware. I mean, I bought The Last of Us 2 from Best Buy.
The disc?
Yeah, I actually physically went there.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Why did you buy the disc? Slow internet.
Yes, I didn't want to wait. And I guess it was just more like a ritual.
It's kind of fun ritual. It is kind of a fun ritual with you peel the plastic.
Yes.
I mean, I got a show called Unbox Therapy. You peel the plastic.
There's an installation disc. There's a play
I hear
disc.
you, man. I know it's going to be a little bit sad the day that we're done with those things completely. I hear you on that, but I just feel it's an impossible thing to continue forever.
I hear you.
It seems impossible. And I understand it's nostalgic and it's important for some people. I get it. But I think I'm digital only for this one. We have the rumored price estimates. It's probably not going to be a massive price discrepancy, but I vote digital only. You vote disk drive. Interesting.